हेलो बच्चों, आप लोग कैसे हैं? आशा करती हूँ आप अच्छे होंगे। आज मैं करा रही हूँ आपको रीडिंग टबी द फैट कैट। टबी द फैट कैट। ठीक है, चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। ANDY Andy was a 7 years year old boy. He loved loved to run and play. He never never ever wanted to go to bed. His father father said it is important 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 to sleep sleep and rest. His mother said, how will you get up in time for school? Time to sleep sleep and it's bad time. It's bad time. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Minutes. More. Please. Please. ठीक है, तो कई सेंटेंस कई वर्ड्स बार बार रिपीट होते हैं, तो आपको ध्यान रखना है बच्चों। ठीक है। 1 WEEK week and 1 week and Andy and his PARENTS parents want went to visit visit want to visit GRAND the grandpa grandpa heard all about about it and SAID said, I think think I have an idea. Tubby, my fat cat can help. Andy's देखो, ये जो एस का मतलब होता है का। Andy's parents parents took the cat home with them in their their car. Tubby was a slow fat cat most of the time. No one knew. KNEW, इसमें K साइलेंट है, न्यू। ठीक है, K को नहीं बोलेंगे, न्यू बोलेंगे। न्यू वेयर he was that night at bed bed time, T-I-M, time. Andy again did not want to go to bed. His parents waited to see if Tubby, देखो टबी अब कई बार रिपीट हो चुका है तो आपसे क्लियर पढ़ेंगे. टबी WOULD would do SOME something THING something to make him go to bed. Nothing NOTHIG nothing happened HAPPENED happened. Grand GRAND grandpa said Tubby would help, said Andy's father. Hours later, Andy finally, 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 DEDCIC decided to go. दो ध्यान से पढ़ना. DEDCIC decided to go to bed. But what a surprise when he entered entered his bedroom. Tubby was separate separate out on his bed. He was snoring like a train, train. Andy tried to shift Tubby, but he could not move him, not even an inch. That night, night, Andy hardly slept. Tubby pushed him into one corner of the bed. The next day, the same same THING thing happened. HAPPENED happened. Andy was tired and sleepy, but Tubby was in his bed. ये छोटे छोटे वर्डों को ना बहुत ध्यान से पढ़ना है, ये कई बार रिपीट होते जाएंगे, इससे आपकी इंग्लिश अच्छी होती जाएगी. बेड, फैन, he went up on the third day. Andy decided to get into bed before Tubby did. That night, as soon as his parents said, "Now it's bedtime," Andy ran upstairs and jumped into bed. His parents would not believe it. They knew nothing about Tubby sleeping in Andy's bed, so that did not. अब देखो बड़ा वर्ड आ गया. DER STAND understand. Why Andy went to bed on time. time. They were just happy that he did. Can you guess? guess where Tubby slept? इसमें sleep की सेकंड फॉर्म लगी है, slept that night. तो बच्चों अगर आप इसको बार-बार रिपीट करोगे ना, तो आपकी थोड़ी रीडिंग बहुत अच्छी हो जाएगी। तो अगर मेरी वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो चैनल सब्सक्राइब करो, लाइक करो और अच्छे-अच्छे कमेंट डालो। राधे राधे।